Right, so the interface overview. Well, like most builders, there are 4 areas, but Divi takes it to another level. At the top, or rather in the middle, this is where we build out our page. This is our canvas. We understand this one very easily. At the top, we have here our toolbar that gives us those usual suspects for saving, preview, exit, as well as mobile responsive control, and a few settings here on the left. There is a lot going on here. Just if you go to this option here called main canvas and you click here, it opens up this. We'll talk about that awesome feature. Then on the right, I'll jump to the sidebar on the right first. Your elements, in Divi it's called modules, the modules/elements that appear on your page, all their settings here on the right. And basically it doesn't matter which one you choose. Like here I can select this blue box and that is a section. And then you have the content tab, then a design tab and advanced. You'll spend 99% of your time in the design tab. Though it is fixed in Divi, there's a lot of flexibility in where you want your panels to be. On the left though, this is a Godzilla that's going to make you scream at the beginning if you try and figure out what all of these little functions do. Layers, we have inspector, and you'll get used to this because I'm going to spend a lot of time here as we are building out this site. I think the most important one here is layers. That's a structure overview of what is happening on your page. And currently you will see we only have a section on our page. In Divi, there's no such thing as an empty page. I can try and delete this section, but there's always a section. It puts a section there by default. That's where you have to start. The one below that is an inspector. Ooh, nice one. Then variable manager, which is a new thing. You can see as I click on the new one, it opens that below it. I close the layers, then it moves to the top. You can also put them next to each other, though this is not sticky. For example, now I have layers open and variable manager. Go to the layers, click and hold on the tab and drag it, and now it becomes floating. Then click and drag, and when you see the blue box, drop it, and now they are nicely next to each other. However, if I close the layers and I open it again, it's here. So I'm not entirely sure if that is that great because I will need to move it around every time. I wish that were sticky, but it isn't. Then we have a few more here. All of these we'll get into. For now, we leave everything as is in the default, and then later we can make changes here, and you can also begin to make the changes that you feel comfortable working with. Those are the 4 areas: our canvas, toolbar at the top with our save, preview, exit, and responsive design. On the right, all your modules, elements, the settings. Remember, module is an element. All the stuff on your page, their settings appear here on the right. Then your structure, your layers, your manager, your settings, that is all here on the left.